Hello everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and I'm here with a destash that I purchased from Justine Stone. She has some awesome destashes going on right now. I will leave her information in the description box below. I already opened it, and I got a telephone call, so I'd end my video. But it was in this nice blue bag, and was all wrapped up nice with a nice card. Check it out, cute, and then a little thank you from purchasing. So, let's get to what I purchased. First, there's this pack of these women, and I thought they were cool. I kept on going back and looking at this, and going back, and finally I'm like, okay, enough looking, let's buy. And I grabbed it. Look at that. You can use that as well. A little piece of advertisement or holder for that. But let's see. We got some... They're stickers, and I thought they were kind of cool. This looks like a stewardess. I can't remember that. Is that David? The statue of David? I don't remember. He's popping a bubblegum bubble. Another stewardess. Here's this one. And then we have that lady. Looks like we got a couple of each. And we got that one. Here's her again. Here's the stewardess. And we got this one with the airplane. It says, "Fly the flight of fantasy Tahiti." That's cool. And we got a clock with a red circle. We got her. Or her. Got some telephones. Them are cool. They're like kind of Timholtz's, but not like Timholtz's. That's cool. That was part of it. And then also included was this Vellum. Now they look like two different packs, so let's check them out. Oh, maybe they are the same. I don't know. We'll see. So we got a ticket. And then that one. Look at all that. That's cool. That's what's in this one. Now I have this, but not in the Vellum. So that's a cool difference to use. The Vellum. I didn't realize that he had them in Vellum. That's that pack. And then there's this pack. They're the same. Well, maybe not. Similar. Like she used some out of one and not the other. Ooh, look at bingo card. That's cool. She said some were used and some weren't, so I have a feeling this one wasn't touched. That's cool. I can never figure out what to do with these little circles. I end up using them for something, but to me I think they're one of those, why Tim? These are Timholtz. Okay, there's his name, even if it always looks like Jim. At first I thought, when I first started getting his stuff, I thought his name was Jim. Alright, and then there's this pack, and this is by 7 Gypsies. Oh, see, this is Timholtz. Who's this by? Ninja America? This is 7 Gypsy. I don't have a lot of 7 Gypsies, so let's check this out. So we got oil card. Ooh, look at that. That's pretty. It's like little journaling cards. Oh, nice. Recipe. Another one of them. That's cool. These are cool. Like a library card. Here's another recipe. A couple of them. Another recipe. Look at that. Honolulu. Oh, cool postcards. So that's a cool pack. Awesome, awesome, awesome. And then she had those rulers. This is really cool too. Southern Gypsy. And they're actually wood. So that's kind of cool. And then Timholtz bottle caps or milk caps. I thought they were cool. I can see me making. And there's a whole bunch in here. All I could think of was clusters. So we will see these in a future project. And I like that there's different sizes too. So we got like this size, then we got like this size, and then we got a large. See the 3 different sizes? That's cool. I will have Justine's information, so please go check out her channel. Like I said, she's having some awesome destashes right now. I had extra money, I had about more than one, but I went with this one. I'm keeping an eye out on it, just in case. As always, guys, I will have Justine's information in the description box. Go check out her destashes. And as always, guys, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Bye for now, everybody, and have a good day.